Welcome back. Arbab is here and you are watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video you will going to learn about a valid pullback for your SMC or ICT structure. Okay, so once you are mapping a smart money concept structure, you must mark out the inducement area or liquidity area. So you need a valid pullback. You need to identify a valid pullback to identify that inducement area. Sometime what happen, candle make only a one move and you will confuse, is it a valid pullback or not? Should I consider it valid pullback or not? So in this video I will teach you very simply and very fast, very easily what is a valid pullback and how to identify it. So you must watch this video till end. It's a very short video and it's very informative for you. As you know, in the last video I explained you market. If market make a higher high, we need to confirm that does this higher high take out the recent leg inducement in the left side or not. If it's take it, can we consider that was a valid pullback or not? How we will know that one? So here is the example. If market in bullish condition, if market going upside and this is the highest candle, if the next candle take out this candle low, is considered as a valid pullback. The color does not matter. Remember my point. Okay, color does not matter. Okay, only thing is matter that the next candle should take out the previous candle low with wick or with body, not matter even. Okay, so it will be happen, it will be look like this. It's go take out the previous candle low and then go market upside. It's called a valid pullback. The single candle, in some time you will see 2-3 candles then go upside, but in some time you will see only one candle. And sometime what happen, these are green candle and take out the previous candle with a wick. Okay, with a small wick like this. These also a valid pullback. Remember the point. Okay, like this, and then go price upside. Okay, the most confusing point, what is that? For example, this is the valid pullback. Okay, you see many of you maybe know even that if the previous candle take out then it's a valid pullback, but many people confused by this big candle as well. If you find a big candle like this and inside this big candle this happen, this is not a valid pullback, because your actual candle is this one, this green big one. Okay, if did not take, and if that candle, any candle did not take off this low, it means it's not a valid pullback. If this candle go above this candle, okay, either a wick, okay, not a body consider, either a wick, and the next candle take out, sweep out this one, then is a valid pullback. Okay, in a bearish condition, if you, I hope you understand this scenario. If not, you can comment, I will also explain you later. In a bearish scenario, the candle must take the high of the candle, previous candle high. Okay, like here, price coming downside. Okay, 1 2 candle, third candle, the fourth candle take out the previous candle high, either by wick or either by body, doesn't matter, it will be called a valid pullback. Okay, I will show you in the example as well. Okay, same scenario, if this is like this, then also it's not a valid. Okay, for a valid must be the candle is high on the point and that candle low was taken by the next candle. Okay, now let's go to the jump to the an example. So here is the bullish market like this, and here is the bearish market. Okay, whatever the chart doesn't matter, I will show you here. Okay, to me, if I want to confirm this higher high, I need inducement that was taken by here, right? Okay, so here you can, and many people said, yeah, this is because it's 2-3 candles. Okay, I will also show you a one candle example as well here. Okay, so is it a valid pullback? Okay, so let me make a replay bar for you to understand you much more. Okay, price going upside. Okay, for me this is the valid pullback because price take out the previous candle low, right? Okay, and this is the biggest candle, am I right? Okay, okay, this is confirmed that these are, if price now go downside, it doesn't matter, is now it will break the high and it will confirm that price is making a valid pullback. Okay, this is for a bullish scenario. Okay, now we come downside and we see we also have this is a black candle, and black candle we can see it a bearish candle. Okay, so does it look like to you a pullback? To me, no, it's not. Why? Because this black candle does not take any liquidity. The next green candle also did not take any liquidity. This black candle should take out the liquidity of this previous green candle, but it does not. And the next, then if green candle does not take, if black candle did not take green candle liquidity, then the next green candle should take out the black liquidity, but it's not. So this is not a valid pullback. Okay, but what is the valid pullback? The previous side. You see the black candle, the next green candle take out the liquidity, so this is a valid pullback as well. Okay, understood? Okay, now we will go for any bearish. I will show you one example of a bearish as well. Now you will go for now you after you find out, you will must find an example as well here. Okay, now we are in a bearish market. In bearish market, as you see, price does not take out the liquidity or anything of the candle, so it does not consider as a valid pullback. Okay, but this here, as you see here, the green candle, the next red candle, black candle take out the liquidity, it's called a valid pullback. Next here you see a green candle, the next candle take out the liquidity, is a valid pullback here. Okay, so what happened? For example, if I am marking this is a lower low, how I confirm? Because there is a valid pullback here. This doji type candle has a valid pullback, so I can consider this a valid pullback, and I can make a right decision here regarding true SMC smart money concept or ICT. Okay, but in ICT there is a different scenario. In ICT is a very simple. This is a first candle, this is the second candle, first candle black, third candle black. Okay, if the first and third candle did not go above the second candle high, it will be a valid swing point for an ICT. But in SMC there are different confluences. Okay, as you see in here is a one also good example for a bullish scenario. See, this is the first candle, next candle did not take any low. Okay, then green candle and then green candle also open, and green candle take out the low of the black candle. Okay, but it is not a valid pullback. Why it's not a valid pullback? Because the biggest candle is a green. This black candle inside, this black candle wick and body inside the previous big candle of the green. Okay, so it also not a valid pullback. So it should be either the wick high like this. Okay, to be a valid pullback like this. If not a wick high, then it's not a valid pullback. Remember that point. Okay, should be a candle in a high and the next candle take out the liquidity. Remember that point. Okay, so I hope you are learn something from this video. If you learn something, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, share with your friends, and join our Telegram channel where I post free of cost of signal. These are these signals are based on my strategy, not by ICT, not by SMC, and we have a very good result with the very accuracy. So make sure you join this channel. Best of luck.